Hi everyone, welcome to another video of an easy and homemade recipes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I bake my short beef ribs in the oven. They are flat ribs and it's an excellent dinner, and in less than an hour, your dinner will be ready. So let's just get right into it. For this recipe, I'm using a 2.5 pound of Angus beef short ribs. So I will start with the seasoning that I will use to season the ribs before baking them. So I'm starting with adding paprika into a little bowl. Then after the paprika, I will also add garlic powder. So all of this is going to be a mix that I will put for the seasoning of my ribs. Then I will add pepper. I will also add salt to taste, so depending on how much salt you want. Then I will add chili powder. Once my rib seasoning is ready, then I'm gonna line up my ribs into my baking dish, as you can see. And once it's lined up, then I'm going to proceed by seasoning it. So I'm gonna do it on both sides, and just by rubbing it really well to make sure that the ingredients will just get into the ribs and you will get to enjoy it when you eat it. You can also add every other ingredient you want, but for me, I like these ingredients because it tastes really good. Just very simple. Keep it simple and in no time and you enjoy your food. While I'm rubbing my ribs, I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees and I'm going to bake it for the first time for 20 minutes. So it's overall going to take 40 minutes, but the first time I'm baking it for 20 minutes. Then I'm now adding my hickory barbecue sauce to it, and I'm going to rub the hickory sauce and make sure that it's just embedded into the rib itself, because it's going to give it a very good taste. And once I'm done seasoning it with the hickory sauce, then I'm going to bake it again for 20 more minutes into the oven. And then after the 20 minutes, the ribs will be ready and tender and good to go, ready to eat. So as you can see, it's been 20 more minutes that I left it in the stove and my ribs are tender and it's ready to serve. So I'm going to try one. As you can see, these ribs are flat ribs, so they fall off the bone very easily and it tastes really good. These ribs are actually well served with the egg fried rice recipe that you can find into one of my video feeds. Give it a try and let me know how you found it. Thank you for watching. If you like the contents of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe and share the videos so others can also enjoy making short beef ribs in the oven. Until next time, enjoy.